Your own will not spoil. Their destinies will not be wasted. We call back every prodigal son. We call back every prodigal daughter. Come home. Come home. Come home. You have a destiny to fulfill. Come home. You will no longer be paying for your parents. Come home. Come home. Father, I raise my voice to every family. Their children are fighting battles and they don't know where it's coming from. They've prayed all they know how to pray, but the challenges are still there. Lord, do this for me today. Do it for me. Every family that has begged you that you remember their children, Father, if you love what I am doing, I beg of you, if there be any blessing you want to give me, Father, please, for the lives of these children, let the same. Some children, their due time has come and passed. Their parents are managing to find joy, but there is nothing you cannot roll away. Between now and the next 3 months, after this prayer, let impossibility become possible. Let there be that turnaround that sounds like a lie.